Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to leave Temu review easily. So guys, before we begin, you can click on my link in the description below to get a $100 coupon bundle or use my code to get a 30% discount on Temu. And guys, remember that the $100 coupon code bundle and 30% discount is only for Temu new users. So now with that said, once you are on Temu, first thing that you will do is just simply go to your profile icon over here and a drop down will show up, and from here just simply go to your orders over here. And now once you are on your orders, just simply go ahead and go to the delivered tab over here, and from here you will see all of the items that has been delivered to you, and you'll be able to see an option leave a review. So guys, just click on leave a review, and from here it will ask you, have you received your package yet? So I'm gonna go for yes, continue to review. And now from here guys, you will have multiple options. So you can add a photo, you can add a video, so it will be depending on you. And up here you will see the review guidelines, and from here you will see the guidelines for the review. Now just simply provide a description over here. So as you can see, Temu has an option here that have a preset, so you can just simply click on it to add it into your description, or you can just add it manually. So let's say I'm gonna go for this shirt is very beautiful, and down below just simply provide a rating, so it will be depending on you. And from here you will have an overall fit, so it can be true to size, large and small, so it will be depending on you as well. And from here down below you will have an option to hide your profile photo as an anonymous. So once you are done, you can just click on submit, and from there you'll be able to leave a review. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.